Joslyn Clark's HL series limit switch is designed for heavy-duty applications, limiting travel or triggering functions at predetermined positions. Type HL switches are single-acting with one-direction operation. For better flexibility, each contact can be changed independently from normally open to normally closed and vice versa, without disassembly. And the lever is fitted with a steel roller for manual operation when needed. The heavy-duty enclosure is watertight, with oil-impregnated bearings on the internal shaft and the finger pivot points. Both features ensure reliable performance in harsh environments, with minimal maintenance necessary. HL series limit switches are contact rated for up to 6 amps, depending on the voltage class. Both VAC and VDC options are available. To learn more about the HL series limit switch by Joslyn Clark, visit Galco.com.